So three girls, Reshma, Salma and Mandeep are playing a game by standing on a circle of radius 5 meter drawn in a park. So let's say this is that circle of radius 5 meters and they are standing on the circle, standing on the circumference of the circle. So Reshma throws a ball to Salma, Salma to Mandeep, Mandeep to Reshma. If the distance between Reshma, Salma and Mandeep is 6 meter each, then what is the distance between Reshma and Mandeep? So this is 6 meter between Reshma and Salma and between Salma and Mandeep. This distance is equal, that is 6 meter each. So we will take the positions of Reshma, Salma and Mandeep as A, B and C respectively. So this is where they are standing, which are represented by points A, B and C on the circle. Distance between AB and BC is equal, that is given as 6 meter, and distance between AC is what you have to find out. Radius is given, that is OB, OA, that is given as 5 meter. So given things are AB is equal to BC is equal to 6 meter and OA, that is radius of this circle, is 5 meter. So you will draw perpendicular BM, that is perpendicular to AC. AC is the chord of this circle. Now this is also forming an isosceles triangle. Because AB and BC are equal, this is isosceles triangle. So for an isosceles triangle, this perpendicular is also the median of the triangle. Now this is something that you have already learned in triangles. So because this ABC is an isosceles triangle and we have drawn a perpendicular BM to opposite side AC, this point M will be the midpoint of AC. So BM is a perpendicular bisector of AC. So therefore it should pass through the center of the circle. So let us assume AM to be Y, any variable I'm taking, and OM to be X. So OM is X and AM is Y. So BM should be 5 minus X because this entire OB is 5. That is the radius of the circle. So if OM I have taken as X, BM should be 5 minus X. Now these are right angle triangles. So we can apply Pythagoras theorem in this. So from there I get OA square is equal to OM square plus AM square. That is 5 square is equal to X square plus Y square. This one I will mark as equation 1. Now next we are going to apply Pythagoras theorem in triangle AMB. This is also a right angle triangle. So here also I can apply Pythagoras theorem. So I can say AB square, AB is the hypotenuse here. AB square is equal to BM square plus AM square. So AM is Y and BM is 5 minus X. So substituting that here, I will get this. So when I simplify this, I will be getting simplify, and Y square's value I can put from equation 1 because in the previous one also have got one relation. So that value I can substitute here. So subtracting first equation from second equation, I get 36 minus 25 because this was my first equation. So left hand side is 5 square here, that is 25, and right hand side is x square plus y square. So here 36 square is 36, so 36 minus 25 is equal to 5 minus x the whole square plus y square minus x square minus y square. That plus x square y square I have subtracted here. You can expand this using identity a minus b the whole square. So you will get 5 square plus x square minus 10x. Plus y square minus y square you can cancel out. Here you have minus x square and here you have plus x square. So that also you can cancel out. So you will get 10x is equal to 25 minus 11, that is 14. Or x is equal to 7 by 5. So substitute this value of x in equation number 1. You will get y square plus 49 by 25 is equal to 25. So y will be, after solving this, you will get 24 by 5 Now y is this AM. This is what we took as y. Now we have to find distance between A and C. So distance between A and C will be double of AM, that is twice of AM. So that will come as 9.6 meter. That is the distance between Reshma and Mandeep. So a circular park of radius 20 meters situated in a colony. Three boys, Ankur, Syed and David, are sitting at equal distance on its boundary, each having a toy telephone in his hands to talk to each other. Find the length of the string of each telephone. So we will assume their positions to be A, B and C. These are the positions of the three boys. Radius of the circle is given as 20 meter and you have to find length of each string. Now it is also given that they are sitting at equal distance on its boundary. So which means that this AB, BC and AC, all three distances are equal, which means that this is an equilateral triangle. So ABC is forming an equilateral triangle. You have to find length of the string. So one of the sides you have to find out, given the radius. So again, you will be doing a construction. Construct AD perpendicular to BC. Now since this is an equilateral triangle, so AD is also the perpendicular bisector of the opposite side, BC. We know that already. So if one of the sides I am taking as A, let us suppose that A is the length of each side of this equilateral triangle, then BD must be A by 2 because D is the midpoint of BC. That is how we have constructed. We have constructed AD perpendicular to BC. So it is also the perpendicular bisector of BC because it is an equilateral triangle. So therefore BD will be A by 2. So AB is A, BD is A by 2. So AD I can find in terms of A by using these two values of AB and BD. Because this is forming a right angle triangle, I can apply Pythagoras theorem in this triangle. So AB square is equal to BD square plus AD square. AD we don't know. AB is A and BD is A by 2. So using that, we get it as root 3 A by 2 as the length AD. Now if I'm taking OA as R radius, so OD will be this much distance. OD will be AD minus the radius. That is root 3 A by 2 minus R. Join OB. Now when you join OB, you get another triangle BOD. This is also a right angle triangle because angle D is 90 degrees. So here also you can apply Pythagoras theorem. So OB square is equal to OD square plus BD square. OB is the radius and BD is A by 2. So square of that will be A square by 4. So this is what I get the value of OD as. Square root of 4R square minus A square by 2. In equation 1, we have already found the value of OD as root 3A by 2 minus R. Now, in the next one, this is also the value of OD. So I can equate both of them. I can equate 1 and 2 because both are values of OD. So root 3A by 2 minus R, this is from equation 1, is equal to square root of 4R square minus A square by 2. This is from equation 2. So next you have to simplify this one. That is take LCM. So root 3A minus 2R by 2 is equal to square root of 4R square minus A square by 2. Now denominator 2 and 2 I can cancel and I can square on both the sides. So I will get 3A square minus 4 root 3AR plus 4R square is equal to 4R square minus A square. Now here 4R square terms are there on both the sides. It can get cancelled out. Then I can combine the like terms. So I will get A as root 3R. Now R is 20 meters. It is already given. So I can substitute that value of R. I will get A is equal to 20 root 3 meters. So that is the length of the string